Hi guys, this is Budramuram. Today I am going to shortly discuss about what I learned in my life. So I will be discuss in shortly. So this is Budramuram. You can call me Ram. I hail from Odisha state. My hometown is Raulkela. Currently I live in Jajpur. Basically I am belongs from village area. Village area there is no good water facility, no good water and electricity facility, no good medical facility. So I had been staying 15 years in my life. So I'm an employee. I'm yearly 25. There are 5 people in my family. I have completed my diploma in 2016. After that I joined in my jobs as an electrical engineer. So I have a passion for footballs. I like to play footballs. I love English and I daily practice my English. I want to become a public speaker. So I want to try my English as a good level. So today I will share with you what I learned in my life. So people are saying this is 5 finger, there is not equal. Same case in our society. People are not equals, and they have the different opinions. There are different attitudes, different opinion. Everybody is not equals. Nobody can equals in our society. So suppose you are going to towards nearest your goals, then you will be face some peoples. Some peoples will be appreciate you. Some peoples will be motivate you. Some peoples will be demotivate to you. Some peoples will be poke fun to you. Some peoples will be laughing to you. So in these situations, what we have to do? What we can do for that? Suppose we are going to towards nearest to our goals. So we are facing some peoples during our journey, during our life journey, during to our towards nearest to our goal journey. So what we have to do? In these situations, we have to never worry about this. What people are saying, it doesn't matter for me. What people are giving me a negative comments, it doesn't matter to me, because dear friends, this is the time to do something. This is the time to learn something. So do not want to go back. As much energy you have, take that and go ahead towards nearest your journey, towards nearest your goals. Many people will poke fun to you, many people will laughing to you. So you all the negative comment ignores that. I remember one thing always, that is Ajim Premji quotes. Quote says, if people are not laughing at your goals, then your goal is too small. So like that, we have to go towards nearest to our goal. Which goal we have set, which goal we have decided to achieve that goal, we have to focus about that and we have to go towards nearest to our goal. You are facing lots of peoples in your journey. Many people appreciate you. So you have to decide which one is best, which I can do, what I can do for this. Can I quit? Can I quit my goals? Can I quit my journey? In these situations, what we can do? So in these situations, dear friends, we never quit our journey. We have to go towards nearest to our journey, nearest to our goals. And one day, that day will surely comes. The day you want to see yourselves in the good levels. So that's why we never want to go back. whatever energy we have, whatever happens, we have to go towards nearest to our goals, which goals we have to set. So in my life, I learn from this. I have to go. Whatever happens in my life, what people are give me a negative comments, it doesn't matter to me, because this is the time to do something. This is the time to learn something. So that's, dear friend, we have to decide that we have to set our goals, and we have to go towards nearest to our goal. Nobody can help you. Nobody can help. When you get success, at that time people will come and give you a forgiveness, give you a appreciate, which people's before gave you a negative comments. So that's why we have to set our goal. We have to go towards nearest to our goals. So we have to do something different from other people. This is the thing which we have to decide that this is the time now. From this time we have to decide to go ahead towards nearest to our goal. So one day we will be in good level. So that's why I'm practicing my best. I am practicing daily in English little bit. When I get time, when I get a chance, I speak in front of my mirror. So how long it will be take for me, it doesn't matter, but one day I will be want to become a public speaker. So that's why I'm trying in English. I had been give it in my own language already, but I am trying it in English. That's why I'm trying. So dear friends, this is my practice basis. So I will be a wrong. I will be not a good motivational speaker. I will just make a practice basis. So how it was, so you can decide. So hi guys, if you are new in my Artivoram YouTube channel, then you can subscribe my channels and press the bell icons for more new updating video. So thanks for watching this video. Again thanks. So I will be come in next video. So all to bye.